எஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுங்க. குட் மார்னிங் எவ்ரிவன். Ganesh, able to see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
நான் நோட்பேட் ஓபன் பண்ணிட்டேன் இப்போ.
Yeah.
ஓ ஷோ ஆகுது, ரைட்? ஓகே, யா. குட் மார்னிங் எவ்ரிவன். ஸோ இன் டுடேஸ் கிளாஸ், ஓகே, இன்னைக்கு நம்ம வாட் இஸ் ஆக்சுவலி மெஷின் லேர்னிங் அண்ணா என்ன, ஆர்டிஃபிஷியல் இன்டெலிஜென்ஸ் அண்ணா வாட் இட் இஸ், ஓகே, எங்கே யூஸ் ஆகுது, எதுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகுது, டேட்டா சயின்ஸ் அண்ணா என்ன. Okay, those things will discuss in the class. And okay, so what is actually machine learning? Can you type in chat what is machine learning? Yes, machine learning and what is your understanding? Yes, please type in chat. Okay, before machine learning, just type what is 9 into 9. 9 multiply 9 எவ்வளோ? Yes, 9 into 9. 9 into 9 is equal to how much? Yes, yes, super. எல்லாரும் கரெக்டா சொன்னாரு. 81, 81, 81. Okay, yes. How you typed 81? Because we studied நம்ம ஸ்கூல் வந்து நான் 9 டேபிள் இல்லைன்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டேபிள் வந்து 20 டேபிள் ஆர் 30 டேபிள், right? Till 30 table we studied in our schooling days, right? Okay, na school days and na padichita, so I remember. Yes, tables and because it is 9 table, I remember that instantaneously. Okay, instantaneously I told it is 81. Okay, ipo 15 into 15. 15 into 15 எவ்வளோ? 15 into 15, 225. Super. See, all your basic max, all are max student, right? So ellaru 15 table. 35 into 35. 35 into 35. 225 முடிஞ்சு போயிடுச்சு. Yeah, 35 into super. Arati, Saraswati, Deepika, yes, 1225. Okay. So so what we can say, நம்ம brain வந்து டேபிள்ஸ் இல்லைன்னா கேல்குலேஷன்ஸ் எது இருக்கோ அது அங்க ரிஜிஸ்டர் ஆயிடுச்சு, ரைட்? பிகாஸ் இட் ரிஜிஸ்டர்ட் இன் அவர் பிரெயின்ஸ், we could able to okay 35 into 5, 175, the next 17, so 5 இங்க 17, 17 I will add to 30, 35 into 3 105, 105 plus 17 to 122. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி 1225, ரைட்? நமக்கு பிரெயின் வந்து பேசிக் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் ரிஜிஸ்டர் ஆயிடுச்சு, ரைட்? ஸோ at the end of the day நம்ம பிரெயின் இஸ் ஆல்சோ a machine. ரைட். நம்ம பிரெயின் ஒரு மிஷின் மாதிரி தான். we we actually we actually instructed to our brain that 5 into 5 is equal to 25, 5 into 7 35, இல்லன்னா 2 into 2 into 2 into 0 is 0, 2 into 1 2, 2 into 2 4, அந்த மாதிரி நம்ம சைல்டுஹுட் வந்து பிரெயின், நம்ம பிரெயின் ஒரு ஒரு மாதிரி we trained. நான் அந்த மாதிரி நான் நான் இல்ல அண்ணா நம்ம டீச்சர்ஸ் இல்ல அண்ணா அம்மா அப்பா அந்த மாதிரி ட்ரெயின் பண்ணிட்டாரு, ரைட்? ஸோ கால்குலேஷன்ஸ் இல்ல அண்ணா எடிஷன் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் எந்த மாதிரி கால்குலேஷன் ஆர் எனி திங், ஓகே, தட் ரிஜிஸ்டர்ட், ஆல்மோஸ்ட் எவ்ரி திங் காட் ரிஜிஸ்டர்ட் இன் அவர் பிரெயின், ரைட்? ஸோ பிரெயினும் ஒரு மெஷின் மாதிரி தான் ஒர்க் பண்ணும். But as we are humans, our brain will work differently to different situations for different people, right? இப்போ நம்ம இப்போ இந்த கிளாஸ் வந்து நம்ம வாட் இஸ் மெஷின் லேர்னிங், வாட் இஸ் மெஷின் லேர்னிங், what are the areas that it is going to useful, that we'll see. Right. Now you understood, right? How we trained our brain. நம்ம எந்த மாதிரி ஃப்ரம் அவர் சைல்ட்ஹுட் எந்த மாதிரி நம்ம நம்ம பிரெயினை ட்ரெயின் பண்ணலாமோ, யூ காட் அன் ஐடியா, ரைட்? நிறைய இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன்ஸ் நம்ம பிரெயின்க்கு ஃப்ரம் சைல்ட்ஹுட் வி ஹாவ் கிவன் மெனி இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன். இதுக்கு இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணுங்க, அதுக்கு அந்த மாதிரி பண்ணுங்க, இந்த மாதிரி சிச்சுவேஷன் வந்தாச்சுன்னா இந்த மாதிரி தான் பிஹேவ் பண்ணணும், இந்த மாதிரி சிச்சுவேஷன் நம்ம ரியாக்ட் ஆகும், ரெஸ்பாண்ட் ஆகும், அந்த மாதிரி we all trained our brains, right? அந்த மாதிரி now what we are actually doing is we are training the missions in the same way how we trained our own brains, right? But நம்ம brains ki machine brains ki what is the difference? What is the difference between a human brain and machine brain? Human brain and machine brain? Yes. Fast you are responding. இன்னைக்கு full எல்லாரும் full activeல இருக்கு, right? Just அந்த activeness continue பண்ணுங்க. What is difference between human brain? Yes, Hari, super. Machine brain is programmable. நம்ம ஹியூமன் பிரெயினும் அப்போ ப்ரோக்ராமபிள் தானா? நான் ஓகே, I also trained my brain only, right? Human brain is slow, okay. Machine brain is programmed by humans, super. Harini, super. Process of machine brain is faster than human brain, okay. See, now I'll take one example, okay. Um, Human brain is correct answer. Storage of more brain and okay. All these are okay. But I will say one example. I am driving a car or not two-wheeler drive பண்றா. Okay. Two-wheeler drive பண்ண time வந்து I have given some instructions to my brain and to the machine also. சடனா ஒரு பர்சன் சடனா முன்னாடி வந்தாச்சு, ஓகே. அந்த ஏரியா வந்து சிக்னல் இல்ல, எதுவுமே சிக்னல் இருக்கு, எல்லாதும் இருக்கு. பட் சடனா ஒரு ஒரு பர்சன் சடனா ஒரு டூ வீலர் ஆர் ஃபோர் வீலர் சடனா நம்ம டூ வீலர் முன்னாடி even in your Vellore or even in your Chidambaram also these things will happen, right? Right. நான் டிரைவ் பண்ண டைம் வந்து சடனா ஒரு பர்சன் முன்னாடி வந்தாச்சு. Then what you will do when you are driving a two wheeler? Yes. What you will do? சடனா யாரன்னா முன்னாடி வந்தாச்சுன்னா, நம்ம வெஹிக்கிள் முன்னாடி யாரன்னா வந்தாச்சுன்னா, what you will do? You will put brake, right? Brake. Yes. சடனா நம்ம வெஹிக்கிள்னு நம்ம ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிட்டோம். அந்த மாதிரி இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் நான் மெஷின்க்கு கொடுக்கலன்னா, இப்போ அந்த வெஹிக்கிளே மெஷின் டிரைவ் பண்றா. ஓகே. அந்த வெஹிக்கிளே ஒரு மெஷின் டிரைவ் பண்றா. அப்போ அப்போ என்ன ஆகும்? அந்த இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் நான் மெஷின்க்கு கொடுக்கலன்னா, அப்போ வாட் வில் ஹேப்பன்? ஆக்சிடென்ட் வில் ஹேப்பன். Right. That is the difference between machine and human brain. Human brain still thinks and respond to that correct, to that situation. Right. அந்த மாதிரி அந்த மாதிரி mission cannot do. So when we are missions, or when we are making any instructions, what we will do? We will take all the scenarios and we will give all the scenarios to that mission. இந்த கொஸ்டின்க்கு இந்த ஆன்சர் பண்ணுங்க, இந்த கொஸ்டின்க்கு இந்த ஆன்சர் பண்ணுங்க. இது எந்த மாதிரின்னா, for a kid we'll tell, right? If that particular persons comes to you and ask a question, you tell this answer. Illanna you tell, for this question you tell this answer. If for this question you tell this answer, so that kid will practice. If some fifth question comes to that kid, what will happen? He'll put blank face. And the mother, the human also, machine also. Okay, we need to continuously train the mission. We need to continuously, more than emotion, we need to continuously train the mission. இந்த மாதிரி சிச்சுவேஷனுக்கு இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணுங்க, இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணுங்க అని நான் இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ட் பண்ணினா அந்த மாதிரி தான் பண்ணும். It will not think, it will only do. ரோபோ மூவி எல்லாரும் பார்த்தாச்சு, ரைட்? ரோபோ மூவி வந்து ரோபோ எந்த மாதிரி ஆக்ட் பண்ணணும் அந்த மாதிரி தான் மிஷன்ஸ் வில் ஆக்ட். ஸோ it is human brain will think, machines will not think. As of now machines are not thinking. Now let us go to our machine learning. Now you understood, right? We need to train machine. இந்த மாதிரி situation வந்து இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணுங்க, இந்த மாதிரி situation வந்து அந்த மாதிரி பண்ணுங்க, அந்த மாதிரி we will instruct all the situations to the brain, to the mission. Okay, that is what actually mission. We will train the mission, or we'll have a process for training the mission. Okay, we will train the வணக்கம் நரசிம்ஹன் சார், வணக்கம் எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். Okay, so we will train the mission in such a way that it works fast. It has its own advantages because of the processing speed or whatever it is. No, it will work very fast. So what humans are is, we will train the machine and we'll get the output in a faster way. That is what machine learning is all about. So machine learning, in the machine learning, when we are training, human brain is not programmable. It's give instruction in. Okay, yes, your explanation is very nice, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So now we have seen what is actually machine, what is human. In machine learning க்கு ஒரு cycle இருக்கு, life cycle. In our SDLC method, in testing we have seen life cycle, right? அந்த மாதிரி machine machine learning டேட்டா டேட்டா அனலைஸ் பண்ணதுக்கு ஒரு ஆப்ஷன்ஸ், நிறைய ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் இருக்கு ஆக்சுவலா. those options we call as a life cycle, machine life cycle. In that machine life cycle, in this machine life cycle, first step what we'll do is gathering data. Because now machine learning, why I'm using machine learning? To analyze the data, right? நம்ம course data analysis. So in the data analysis வந்து நமக்கு data analysis பண்ணதுக்கு what we require as a first step, gathering the data. Okay, gathering data. அதுக்கப்புறம் next step is data preparation. Data preparation. See, data preparation அண்ணா whenever we get a data, okay, ஒரு ஒரு டேட்டா ஆர் ஒரு டேபிள் நம்ம கிட்ட வந்தாச்சுன்னா அந்த டேபிள் வந்து எல்லா காலம்ஸும் நமக்கு யூஸ் பண்ண தேவையில்லை ஆக்சுவலா. இஃப் ஐ வாண்ட் டு சி only தி ஜெண்டர் ரிலேட்டட் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன், ஏஜ் குரூப் ரிலேட்டட் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் ஆர் லொகேஷன் பேஸ்ட் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன், அப்போ நமக்கு எந்த காலம்ஸ் ரிக்வயர்டு இருக்கோ அந்த காலம்ஸ் மட்டும்தான் நான் யூஸ் பண்றேன். ரிமைனிங் காலம்ஸ் நமக்கு தேவையில்லை, ரைட்? ஸோ இன் திஸ் டேட்டா ப்ரிப்பரேஷன் வில் சி ஓகே வாட் ஆர் அவர் நமக்கு எந்த டேட்டா அனாலிசிஸ் பண்ண ரிக்வயர்மெண்ட் வந்தாச்சு, அந்த ரிக்வயர்மெண்ட்டுக்கு எந்த காலம்ஸ் நமக்கு வேணும் அந்த காலம்ஸ் மட்டும்தான் நான் இந்த டேட்டா ப்ரிப்பரேஷன் வந்து நான் செலக்ட் பண்றேன். பிகாஸ் வாட் எவர் டேட்டா வி கெட், நமக்கு ரியல் டைம் சினாரியோஸ் வந்து 10 கோடி இல்லைன்னா 100 கோடி மேல ரெக்கார்ட்ஸ் வரும். டெய்லி டிரான்சாக்ஷன்ஸ். ஓகே, ஒரு பேங்க் டிரான்சாக்ஷன்ஸ் இன் ஏ பேங்க், ஹவு மெனி டிரான்சாக்ஷன்ஸ் வில் ஹேப்பன் இன் ஏ டே? மோர் தேன் 1 crore or 2 crores, ரைட்? ஸோ அந்த டேட்டா வந்து நமக்கு எத்தனை காலம்ஸ் வேணுமோ அந்த காலம்ஸ் மட்டும்தான் நான் யூஸ் பண்றேன். ரிமைனிங் ஐ வில் நாட் செலக்ட். அது நம்ம ப்ரிப்பரேஷன் வந்து நம்ம செலக்ட் பண்ண. அதுக்கப்புறம் வாட் இஸ் தேர்ட் இஸ் we call this as data wrangling. Okay, third is data wrangling. Data wrangling anna, in that what will actually take is cleaning up the data. We call this as a cleaning of the data. Cleaning of the data. ఏదన్నా డేటా మిస్సింగ్ వాల్యూస్ இருக்கன்னா நம்ம எக்ஸல் வந்து இல்லைன்னா மெட்டாபேஸ் வந்து we discussed, right? What is the necessity of missing values? So அந்த மிஸ்ஸிங் வேல்யூஸ் இருக்கன்னா இல்லைன்னா டேட்டா சரியா வரலன்னா those things will consider as part of the data wrangling. Okay, data wrangling அப்புறம் what is the next thing is analyzing the data. We'll start analyzing the data. Okay, what are the how the data is, what are the columns we require, எந்த மெத்தட் நான் யூஸ் பண்ணணும் இந்த டேட்டா அனாலிசிஸ் பண்ணதுக்கு. நமக்கு பைத்தான் வந்து நிறைய ஆப்ஷன்ஸ், மெஷின் லேர்னிங் பைத்தான் வந்து நிறைய ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் இருக்கு. டெசிஷன் ட்ரீ மாடல், லீனியர் ரிக்ரெஷன், அந்த மாதிரி இன் நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ் வில் டிஸ்கஸ். அந்த மாதிரி we'll try to see and we'll analyze the data. Then next, analyze பண்ணதுக்கு what we'll actually do is train the model. Then next, test the model. Then next is deployment. right? Analyze பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் what we'll do is if we are having some 1 million records, we'll not directly do the analysis completely on that 1 lakh records. அது வந்து some 5% 10% data நமக்கு actually in your testing you might have discussed on these topics, right? What is actually a development environment, what is test environment, and what is production environment, right? In the test environment vandu we'll only take. Yes, Mogesh, any doubts, Mogesh? If you are having any doubts, you can type in the chat. Okay, whatever full data நமக்கு production data வந்து நான் 5% இல்லைன்னா 10% data, I will prepare a sample data, and அந்த sample data வந்து I will do the training model or testing the model. Okay, what we'll do in this train model and what we'll do in the test model in our next class we'll see. First we'll train the model. Okay, I will give all the scenarios. In the scenarios on the in the model train, what is output, what is output, and the madiri nariya options I will give in the in train the model, and the model final or maru set aichina in the model. Okay, this model is good. Then I will test the data. The next step is testing the data. And the model na use panna model, then I will again take on the test data. Then next test data vandu and the model success aichina, then I will take that model into the larger data in the sense production data. Okay, idiki we'll go with one example, then you will understand where machine learning can be used with one example. How many of you are having credit card? Credit card. யார்கிட்ட இருக்கு credit card? How many of you know about credit card? Credit card and what is credit card? I have, sir. Okay. How many of you know? Okay, because all you are students. How many of you know what is actually a credit card? Credit card and இந்த கிளாஸ் வந்து எத்தனை பேருக்கு தெரியும் ஆக்சுவலா கிரெடிட் கார்டு என்ன? I have, good morning sir, good morning. I have credit card. Okay, what is credit card? Yes, what is credit card? நான் கிரெடிட் கார்டுன்னா நான் கிரெடிட் கார்டு யூஸ் பண்ணி நான் முன்னாடியே பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணி ஷாப் ஷாப். ஓகே, a credit card, lavanya ke. A credit card is a type of credit facility provided by bank that allow customers to borrow funds within a pre-approved credit limit. Okay, okay, okay. In short terms, we can call we can. Okay, நான் முன்னாடியே purchase பண்ணி ஒரு மாசம் based upon the pre-approved credit limit or based upon the time limit of that particular credit card. Okay, we will be paying that to that particular bank. நான் முன்னாடி அந்த credit card வந்து purchases பண்ணி அதுக்கப்புறம் நான் பேமெண்ட் 40 days இல்லைன்னா 50 days முன்னாடி நான் பேங்க்கு நான் பேமெண்ட் பண்றேன், ரைட்? தட் இஸ் ஆக்சுவலி a credit card. How many of you know credit card fraud? நம்ம கிரெடிட் கார்டு யாரோ வேற யாரோ யூஸ் பண்ண ஆப்ஷன் இருக்கு தெரியும், ரைட்? ஹேக்கர்ஸ். ஹேக்கர்ஸ். எஸ். hackers can hack our credit card and they can do purchases 1 lakh or 10 lakh. நம்ம credit limit எத்தனை rupees இருக்கோ அத்தனை rupeesக்கு full purchase பண்ண தேவை இருக்கு, right? Yeah, using SMS or using our 3 digit pin which will have backside of credit card or 3 digit 3 digit number, one number will be there. Okay, and the number use பண்ணி இல்லன்னா நம்ம மொபைல் வந்து SMS டீடைல்ஸ் வருது, ரைட்? OTP pin யூஸ் பண்ணி ஹேக் பண்ண முடியும், ரைட்? ஸோ இந்த கிரெடிட் கார்டு fraud control பண்ணதுக்கு what banks can do. This also a part of the machine learning example. Credit card fraud control பண்ணதுக்கு banks what they can do. Yes, Aadhaar card is also getting hacked. Yes. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ பண்ற. ஓகே, thumb impression முன்னாடி only they used to take only one finger. Okay, thumb finger, what you will tell, thumb finger screening மட்டும்தான் they used to. Nowadays they are taking for all the fingers. That is another way. Yeah, difference between credit card and debit card means credit card வந்து நான் முன்னாடியே நான் முன்னாடியே ஆக்சுவலா பர்ச்சேசஸ் பண்ணி அதுக்கப்புறம் ஐ கேன் டூ த பேமெண்ட். பட் டெபிட் கார்டு வந்து நம்ம பேங்க் வந்து இல்லைன்னா அந்த அக்கவுண்ட் வந்து காசு கண்டிப்பா வேணுமா, அப்பதான் நான் டெபிட் கார்டு யூஸ் பண்ண முடியுமா? ஓகே. Yes, all fingers use the generation. Now, through this particular option, they are actually trying to minimize the hacking. Now, credit card. How credit card fraud can be minimized? One example: if one particular customer is doing purchasing from one particular location. If you take myself, Ram Gopal, I do purchase, I stay in Chennai, and if I go, I'll go to Bangalore, or if I go, I'll go somewhere in India only. If some transaction happen from some Kenya or from some other places, then what bank will do? Oh, okay, இது ஒரு fraud transaction மாதிரி இருக்கும். So let me confirm with the customer. So இப்போ what they are doing is, if they are getting any doubts, immediately they are calling to the customer, and based upon the customer acceptance, they are based upon customer acceptance they are releasing the payment. Then next, okay, location. Then next, timing. Timing. If I have a habit of, if I have a habit of purchasing from morning 7 o'clock to till evening 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock தாண்டி நான் எப்பவுமே transactions எப்பவுமே பண்ணல ஆக்சுவலா. அப்போ 11 o'clock 12 o'clock வந்து எதனா டிரான்சாக்ஷன்ஸ் ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா திருப்பி ஒரு டவுட் வருது பேங்க். ஓகே, திஸ் டிரான்சாக்ஷன் இஸ் ஹேப்பனிங் 12 o'clock ஆர் 1 o'clock மிட் நைட் வந்து எப்பவுமே இந்த டைம் வந்து இந்த பர்சன் டிரான்சாக்ஷன் பண்ணல, இப்போ பண்றாரு. ஸோ மைட் பி a fraud transaction. Again they will check. And fraud பண்ண டைம் வந்து what they will the fraudster, what they will do is they will do minimum transaction. First try பண்ணதுக்கு 100 rupee இல்லைன்னா 1000 rupee. ஒரே ஒரு டைம் வந்து 10 lakh rupee or 20 lakh rupees, they will not do, because they will not know our credit limit. அந்த fraud பண்ண பர்சனுக்கு நம்ம கிரெடிட் லிமிட் தெரியாது, ரைட்? ஸோ தே வில் டூ ஓகே, 2 or 3 கண்டினியூஸ் டிரான்சாக்ஷன்ஸ். அந்த கண்டினியூஸ் டிரான்சாக்ஷன்ஸ் ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா அது ஒரு ஒரு ஃப்ராட் சான்சஸ் இருக்கும் அந்த கண்டினியூஸ் டிரான்சாக்ஷன்ஸ். அந்த மாதிரி தே வில் ட்ரெயின் த மிஷன். ஓகே, இந்த பர்சன் இந்த டைம் வந்து இந்த லொகேஷன் வந்து இல்லைன்னா இத்தனை அமௌண்ட் கீழே எப்பவுமே டிரான்சாக்ஷன் பண்ணல. Sometimes if it is crossing that limit, there is a chance that it can be a fraud, right? So அந்த மாதிரி using this machine learning, they will see what is actually, whether this is a fraud transaction or not. Because if I am having a credit card with one particular bank, and if any fraud happen to my card, what will happen? நான் அப்போ அந்த பேங்க் வந்து ஐ வில் மூவ் டு சம் அதர் பேங்க், ரைட்? நான் அந்த பேங்க் வந்து நான் ஸ்டே பண்ண மாட்டேன். ஐ வில் கோ டு 4 digit OTT scams. Yes, நிறைய scams. Paytm, GPay, if they know if they can hack our mobile, directly they can hack our GPay also. If we lost our mobile, okay, using, they will be having some techniques, na continuous fingerprints use panna fingerprints, they will see, and accordingly they will get to know our all passwords and other things. That is the reason they always tell that don't save your password either in your laptops or in your mobiles. Save passwords in your mind only, not anywhere else. இல்லன்னா சேம் பாஸ்வேர்டே எல்லா பிளேசஸ் வந்து யூஸ் பண்ண வேண்டாம். பிகாஸ் ஒரு பாஸ்வேர்டு கன் இஃப் தே ஃபவுண்ட் ஒன் பாஸ்வேர்ட், த சேம் பாஸ்வேர்ட் தே வில் யூஸ் எவ்ரிவேர், ரைட்? Yes, sir, I understand. Next topic explain, sir. Okay, sir, thank you. I am teaching here for almost எத்தனை பேர் இருக்கு? 4,000 இருக்கா, right? So I need to take care of all those 4,000 people, not one Sanjay Kumar. Now let us see what are the different applications where machine learning can be used. Arthashap, can you please type here what are the areas where machine learning can be used? UPI, okay. The next, machine learning can be used in which areas? Almost in all areas it can be used, but specifically if we go image recognition. Image recognition is one area. Digital electronic, someone told digital electronic, traffic prediction. When you are going in one route, and if you use your Google Map will show, right, in that will show in red color, in this particular area traffic is very high, and in this area traffic is less. If that traffic, if there is no traffic, it will show in green color. If there is high traffic, it will show in red color. From this place to this place there is a high traffic. Or if very less traffic is there, that will show in orange color. And the mother is three different colors it will show, right? So that is an example for traffic predictions. And product recommendations, that is another example. Product recommendation. Then as I mentioned, online fraud detection, medical diagnosis, online fraud, medical diagnosis. Then next, even in customer customer retention. Customer retention anna, if any customer is coming to our shop, okay, healthcare, yes, healthcare, manufacturing, finance, all these are different examples. If any person is doing purchasing in Amazon, or if you take any bank, ICICI bank, if a customer is using their bank from last 10 years, so it becomes ICICI bank responsibility to retain that customer. Rather than getting a new customer, retaining the old customer is the best option, is better option for anyone, right? So these are some of the examples, or these are the some of the areas where machine learning can be used. Now, in machine learning, we have three different types of machine machine learning. What are the three different types? Any wild guesses? We can call these are either types, or even we can call as machine learning is using research of physics and chemistry, weather forecasting, weather forecasting. Yes, in machine learning we have different types, or you can call this as classification also. What are the different types or classifications? One we call as supervised learning. Second we call as unsupervised learning. Third, third we call as reinforcement, reinforcement learning. These are the three different classifications: supervised, semi-supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. Okay, yes. Renuka, sir, today take class up to 12:30 p.m. Okay. So most of the time we call this in three different ways. One is supervised, second is the unsupervised, third is the reinforcement. What is actually a supervised training? First, supervised supervisor learning or supervised training. Yes, supervised learning. Supervised learning, simple example. Okay, let us not even go into machine learning. Supervised learning, non mudalvan in the training program, the supervised learning or example. Because every Monday and Wednesday, you are having testing classes. Tuesday, Thursday, you are having your data analytic classes. So Tuesday and Thursday I will be taking some classes, and those classes I will put an MCQ exam on Thursday. So this is what supervised learning. நான் முன்னாடி train பண்றேன். இது these courses. Okay, I am going to take on Tuesday, Thursday. நான் எந்த courses நான் training நான் பண்றேன், அந்த courses க்கு நான் MCQ test எடுக்கிறேன், right? On Thursday. This is what supervised learning. I will take the நம்ம இப்போ this same example, let us go into machine learning. Now machine learning vandu what I'll do, I will take some data, and the data ki na train panni. Okay, all options I will give all options, and the data na train panni, அந்த train பண்ண மாடல் எந்த மாடல் இருக்கோ அந்த மாடல் நான் ப்ரொடக்ஷன் வந்து யூஸ் பண்றேன், ரைட்? நான் இப்போ எந்த மாதிரி Tuesday, Thursday classes, how I am taking, and Thursday how I am putting MCQ exams. In the same way, machine learning supervised model வந்து நான் முன்னாடி ஒரு ஒரு மாடல் நான் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்றேன் by giving all instruction to the machine, and after that I am preparing a model. அந்த மாடல் நான் ப்ரொடக்ஷன் வந்து யூஸ் பண்றேன். That is the simple example of supervised example. I make a model. I will make a model ready, and I will be using that model in my production. Right. So, what are the techniques we'll use in supervised model means classification. This is one model, and second is regression. Classification model and regression model. These models we'll see in our next to next classes. Today we are going to discuss only on basics. The next, unsupervised model. What is unsupervised model, Ipo? Yes, what is unsupervised model? Supervised model andu what I'll do, I will make a logical model. I will make a Ganesh. Ganesh, is my voice clear and are you able to see my screen?
Yes, your voice is clear and screen there.
Stereo, right? Okay, okay. Some people are mentioning, sir, network busy. Some people are mentioning a poor network. I think from their side, I guess then.
From there, sir.
Okay, okay, yeah. Unsupervised model, Lavanya Chandru. Okay. Unsupervised learning is a framework in machine learning where, in contrast to supervised learning, algorithm patterns exclusively from unlabeled data. Copy paste, Wikipedia copy paste, Chandru. Okay. I will not explain, sir. I will not explain. Understand, sir. Sanjay Kumar, understand, sir. Okay. Unsupervised model anna, in the model vandu, I will not give any model to the system itself will make some insights and it will give the results. Example is a clustering model, will not give any predefined results. Machine try to find its own insights from the huge data, whatever we give to that. Okay, and usage of this particular unsupervised model is to restructure the input data and to form a new feature or to form a group from that. So, in this unsupervised model, again we are having two different type of models. One we call as clustering model, and the second is association model. These are the These are the two models which we will be using in unsupervised model. One is clustering and the second is the association. Sorry, spelling mistake. Then next, reinforcement. Reinforcement learning. What is this learning? Reinforcement learning. Yes, reinforcement learning. Harish, today it is a interactive session, right? That is the reason I kept this chat open. But I request everyone not to spam this chat. But compared to before, Harish, nowadays I need to thank all the students. They are not spamming this chat. I need to congratulate the students and the faculty for being disciplined, because today is interactive. I am trying to keep this chat. Okay, thank you, Harish. Yeah, reinforcement means it is something like yes. Thank you, Harish. Yeah, reinforcement learning, Anna, it is something like a feedback based method. Someone actually mentioned here. Yeah, Chandru. It is actually a feedback based method, okay, which learns from the actions. Okay, in this, what will happen is whoever is there, he will instruct the system or the environment to do that particular example is the robo will instruct, right? Okay, will instruct, okay, raise your hand or walk two steps. Another will instruct, right? So these are some of the examples of reinforcement learning, right? So now we have discussed what is actually a machine learning. Now let us go and look into what is actually an artificial intelligence. Yes, now we'll go and check what is artificial intelligence. Can anyone mention what is artificial intelligence, why it is used, where it is used? Chandru K, what is artificial intelligence from Wikipedia? There is an AI, unsupervised learning, artificial intelligence. In Wikipedia or anywhere, if you see, no, artificial intelligence, what we can actually do is artificial. See, no, I have typed artificial, and the next word it is suggesting. The chat is suggesting me artificial intelligence is. See, this is what artificial intelligence all about. Artificial plus intelligence. Sorry, spelling mistake. Intelligence, INTELLI, artificial intelligence. Okay, man, artificial we can consider as a man-made one because that is an artificial. Natural means we are actually thinking. Humans, when humans are thinking, that is, yes, when humans are thinking, that we call as a natural thinking. If we are making the system to think, that is called the you can call as man made. We are making the system to think and accordingly respond to the situations. So what we can actually mention is man-made thinking power. Artificial artificial means man-made one. Thinking power means intelligence means thinking power only, right? So this together you can call artificial intelligence as man-made thinking power. So we are making system to think. We are making system to think and work accordingly. Yes, yes. Artificial intelligence is an evaluating technology that tries to simulate human intelligence using machines. Yes, yes. But human mind is always superior to the machine mind, because we are the people actually instructing to the machine. That will not do on its own. We need to instruct each and every step. Okay, if someone comes, like how we instruct to our kids, if someone comes to our home, we need to stand and we need to say hi, something we'll instruct to kids, right? So on the madre, we need to instruct to the system each and every step. If you miss out to convey any step to the mission will not do that step. So still it is in the control of the humans, all the steps you need to convey. Right. So this is in simple terminology. If you talk, this is what actually an artificial intelligence is. Artificial means man-made. Intelligence means thinking power. So we are making the missions to think like humans. See, why we required actually artificial intelligence? Why we require artificial intelligence? To get the better results, to get the better results, to minimize the human intervention. Full work machine. See, some complex operations, brain related, heart related operations, which human doctors which strain operations. So if artificial using artificial intelligence, they are making kuti kuti robots, use panni, they are inserting that robots into our body, and those robots are doing that operations. Tell you right? Yes, to reduce the human work. And using this accuracy will also be more. The instructions which we give, based upon that you will get the accuracy, that to 100%. If I train a student, or if I train an employee, okay, for some time, what he will do, he will get trained. After that, he will work in his own way only. But if I train a robo, namak enna maadir veno and maadir those robots will do. So it is all depend upon how we actually train that particular mission, right? So what are the goals, what can be achieved using this artificial intelligence? I will mention here artificial intelligence means, in simple terminology, what I have mentioned, it is something like man man-made Man-made thinking power to reduce human work. Man-made thinking power. Thinking, thinking power. See, in WhatsApp also nowadays, if you see, நான் type பண்ண முன்னாடியே அந்த word, if I type yes, yeah, something, something, it is giving the entire word. You don't need to even remember the word, right? நான் artificial, இங்கே பாருங்க, artificial, if I mention artificial, after that, after that it is giving, see, artificial intelligence is. Next what I am actually trying to type, system actually suggest பண்றா. Sir, இதியா, this is what are you looking into? அந்த மாதிரி system suggest பண்ற நமக்கு. Right? So goals of artificial intelligence. What are the goals of artificial intelligence? Simpler, someone told, right, to reduce human, to reduce human work. To reduce, sorry, to reduce human work. And see, with this only you will again see artificial. Because I have given spelling mistake, it is not suggesting the next word. When I give the correct word, automatically it is giving next word. So, perception, perception and action. Perception and accordingly action. System is percepting, oh okay, so artificial type pandaru, so artificial anna most probably intelligence. And because munnadi na artificial intelligence and two three times na type paniyachu, right? So system is percepting, oh okay, oh okay, so next word intelligence, right? Simple example, again, simple example. If you go late to your home in the evening, what your mother or father will, what your mother will think and what your father will percept. Mother will be thinking that, oh, what, why he is coming late? Later, edukku vararu? Yaar, friends, are they spoiling my son? What he is, where he is going? எதனா பேட் ஹேபிட்ஸ் வந்தாச்சா அந்த மாதிரி மாம் வில் திங்க், ரைட்? அண்ட் அப்பா இந்த மாதிரி திங்க் பண்றாரு, ஓ கண்டிப்பா இஸ் கம்மிங் லே, மீன்ஸ் ஹி மைட் ஹவ் கான் டு சம் மூவி ஆர் சம்திங் பர்செப்ஷன்ஸ். மதர் வில் ஹாவ் ஹர் ஓன் பர்செப்ஷன், ஃபாதர் வில் ஹாவ் ஹர் ஓன் பர்செப்ஷன்ஸ், ரைட்? அந்த மாதிரி சிஸ்டம் வில் ஆல்சோ, வென் ஐ டைப் ஆர்டிஃபிஷியல், இட் இஸ் பர்செப்டிங் தட் நெக்ஸ்ட் வேர்ட் இஸ் இன்டெலிஜென்ஸ். நம்ம ஹியூமன் பிரெயின் எந்த மாதிரி ஒர்க் ஆகுதோ, we same way human now machine brains also working in the same way, right? So probably mother has positive perception. Yes, because what will happen is, mother's perception. If you take Mohan Raj, mother will always feel her son in a what you will tell. son or even daughter also. Okay, because they are my blood, so they will not do, they will only do positive, they will not go in the bad path or bad way. அந்த மாதிரி mom எப்பவுமே positive perception, positive the think பண்ணும். Father, if you take father he will, because he see outside world, outside people. Mother will also see the outside world like father, but mother will be always mother, always she will be thinking positive about their kids. Up fathers, he will think positive plus the reality combined panni, he will actually reinforcement learning madari. Father will be something like a reinforcement learning madari. Mother will think like a supervised learning, because I trained my son or daughter in this way, so they will be in this path only. Okay, these are some of the goals. Okay, reducing the human intervention. Nowadays, if you see the artificial intelligence, they are even trying to do on roads also, driving a car in traffic. Usages, driving a car in a traffic. So முன்னாடி what human will do, யாரன்னா சிக்னல் வந்து யாரன்னா முன்னாடி வந்தாச்சுன்னா இமிடியேட்டா ஸ்டாப் பண்ணும். இப்போ நம்ம we are making even the artificial, using artificial intelligence, we are even making the car also to work in the same way. If some obstruction comes in the middle, immediately stop பண்ணுங்க. சிக்னல் வந்து green வந்தாச்சுன்னா அப்பே ஆக்சுவலா you move, otherwise you don't move. But what human brain will do, if it is in red also will move, but artificial when you use artificial intelligence it will not move. முன்னாடி நாலு காரு இல்லன்னா 3 பஸ் ஆர்டிபிஷியல் இன்டெலிஜென்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ண பஸ்ஸஸ், 3 பஸ் இல்லன்னா 4 கார் டிராபிக் சிக்னல் கிட்ட இருக்குன்னா பின்னாடி வெஹிக்கிள்ஸ்க்கு முன்னாடி போவே முடியாது until it turns into green. And in which areas actually artificial intelligence can be used? Yes, which areas artificial intelligence can be used? Everywhere, everywhere. This is also everywhere. Areas where AI can be used. If you take, it can be used in mathematics area, sociology area, psychology area, computers area, statistics area. Then next to neurons study. These are all different areas where artificial intelligence can be very helpful. Okay, now let us discuss advantages of AI. What are the advantages? If we are see in real time also, if you are making any friendship with someone, some advantages, you will see, right? Okay, if I meet a person, these are the advantages I'll have. If I take this particular course, there are some advantages with this course, right? So what are the advantages now? Advantages, humans normally what everyone tells, right? Humans advantages ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನ, humans they will not go that side at all. நம்ம எல்லா ஃபீல்டு நான் எந்த ஒர்க் நான் பண்றோம் அந்த ஒர்க் வந்து அட்வான்டேஜஸ் இல்லைன்னா நான் அந்த ஒர்க்கே நான் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண மாட்டேன், ரைட்? அந்த மாதிரி லெட் அஸ் see now. ஓகே, எல்லாரும் ஆர்டிஃபிஷியல் இன்டெலிஜென்ஸ் சொல்றாரு. ஓகே, now we understood what is artificial intelligence, where we are using artificial intelligence we understood. Then what are the advantages? Yes, type பண்ணுங்க, what are the advantages? Why we are discussing about artificial intelligence? Nowadays, AIs are developed to take self decision. It will take a decision to against to human. He will control artificial intelligence. Hmm. Advantages. What are the advantages? High accuracy with less errors. Reduce time work. See, if it is if you write an exam, let us take if you write an exam. Okay, you write an exam and your paper was corrected by a faculty, or your paper was corrected by a artificial intelligence. What will happen when it is corrected by faculty? You can request your faculty, sir, illana madam, please 1 mark, 2 mark here, another 2 mark, 3 mark. அந்த மாதிரி request பண்ணி you can request them and you can get another 2 3 marks extra. The same thing, if artificial intelligence will do, what will happen? If you get 55 or 65 or 95, you will get only 95 only, right? You cannot see high accuracy with less errors. It will because system will not be emotional. It will act based upon the instructions given. High speed, high speed. Then next, high reliability. You can trust, okay, this whatever do, take the answers, the critical questions using AI chat GPT. Yes. If you type a question, it will give 100 different answers. If you in chat GPT, if you type, I want to start, yeah, I want to make some videos. Can you suggest? it will suggest thousands of videos. Or if you mention, I want to you take some music directors some song, okay, and you instruct to I to have that particular song in western style, or in classical style, or some in folk style. Automatically that will give in that particular mode, right? But if you ask a music director or someone to make his own music in different styles, he might take some time, right? But if you take the artificial intelligence, the same song. How many of you like Kanmani song? Yes. How many of you heard Kanmani song? Yes, Harish. How many of you? Most of the in this class, most of the people might have heard this Kanmani song, right? The original one. If you take the original one will be like that only. If you try to remake that in different styles, how many different styles that simple song, in how many different variations that came using artificial intelligence. What, you take that particular song, you go to some video maker or some audio changer, some AI tool, and you change that. That's all over. That song will come in whatever the style you want. If you want in folk, you will get in folk. If you want in western, classical, Hindustani, or whatever. In music, we have different tala ragas, right? In whatever the raga you want, in that particular raga you can get that song, and that too within seconds time. So high speed, high accuracy with less errors, high speed, highly reliability. We ourselves can sing a song nowadays, right? I will sing a song, and I will ask the system to remake to some different modulations. It will remodulate my own voice. That's all over. That much easy now life became, right? These are some of the examples of the, even in research it can be useful, in public utility it can be useful. Then next, for every ஒரு ஒரு காயின்க்கு heads and tails இருக்க மாதிரி, for everything there will be advantages and disadvantages also. What are the disadvantages? What are the disadvantages? Yes, what are the disadvantages of artificial intelligence? First of all, this is machine dependent. This is machine dependent. Second, can't think can't think out of box. Whatever instructions I will give, whatever. Yes, excellent. Tangamallar. no emotions. Like I have mentioned, if you go to your sir and madam, please madam, you give me only, I got all 85, 85, 70s. In this only I got some 45 or something. 5 marks increase பண்ணுங்க madam, then I will get my 70% accurate. அந்த மாதிரி request, if we request our sir or madam, they will give that. System will not do that because it is not it is not having any emotions, no emotions. This is right means this is right, all the. I don't see how, what is your emotion. அது நமக்கு தேவையில்லை. This is correct means I will do this one only. Right? Mission dependent and high cost. High cost. Then next, it will not think out of box thinking. Because if I ask you to do something, you will, if I ask the same question to 100 people, 100 people will come up with 100 different solutions. Right? Or if I ask 4,000 people from this class, 4,000 different solutions I'll get. But from mission, I'll get only one solution. That too, the solution which I provided to the system. If you are there at your home and a robo is there, okay, I if someone comes to your home, what you will do? Once you open the door, you will inquire that particular person. Right, you will inquire that person, who are you? You will see his face, and you will perceive something, and you will ask, who are you? Mother side, father side, or for what work you actually came over here, to assess whether that person is genuine or not, whether he's thief, or a person who come to our home, why he came to our home. In the madri, you will do out of box thinking, and you will ask so many questions to that person. If you feel that person as suspicious, what robo will do? Robo will open the door and it will do its work. That person comes happily, he will put coffee, tea, everything, and whatever he want, he will take from your home, or someone's home. Right? So out of box thinking system will not do. Machine or artificial intelligence systems will not do. You need to continuously, okay, if that person comes, you see that person, whether his dress appearance is like that. With that, you identify whether that is male or female. Okay, if a male means, you ask this questions, and the madri, I need to before do out of box thinking from my side to instruct the system. Right? But what you will do, either male or female, what you will do if someone comes, if you get suspicious, you will immediately close the door. Or if that guy is threatening you, you will start screaming. Then all the neighbors will come, and they will help you or protect you. Right? System, what system will do? System will not think all those things. Out of box thinking, you need to give instructions. First, to make system efficient, you need to think out of box thinking. That is the reason, whenever system comes, they will come with the limitations only. Afterwards, some news issue comes, they will fix that particular issue. Again, new issue comes, they will close that issue. And the madiri, they will make the system better day by day. But system will be system all the time. machine dependent, can't think out of box, no emotions, high cost. What else? Most important thing is creativity will die. No creativity. See that Kanmani song when it came in 1980s, Kamal Hassan movie, that movie, Guna movie, right? When Guna movie came in 1980s, almost 40 years back, still today also we are remembering that song. Why? Because of the creativity of either Ilaiyaraaja, or creativity of SPB, or creativity of Kamal Hassan, or the creativity of the director. I don't know who is the director for that movie. The creativity of that particular director. Because of all these people, we are still remembering that. Or the creativity of Ilaiyaraaja songs, creativity of A.R. Rahman songs, or creativity of, or the songs sung by SPB sir, or Jesdas sir, or so many singers, Chitra ma'am, who else? Janaki ma'am, Sushila ma'am, right? Why? Okay, that song was sung by Kamal Hassan. Okay, okay. Thank you for correcting me. Why we remember? Because of the creative work. If the same song, okay, if they do that in 250 different modulations, you will lose interest on that. See, in olden movies, in 70s 80s movies also, sorry, 50s 60s movies also, you will be, yeah, lack of creative ability, that will be lost. So even to whomever I suggest, okay, I will suggest, okay, you learn this, but you learn how to do that on your own. System will help you. If you type something in chat gpt, it will give. See, I will mention artificial. See, it is directly showing this artificial in red color. It is showing that this is a spelling mistake. I am clicking this and it is giving that artificial. But I always tell that you learn the words, you learn the English, you learn the technology, or you learn whatever you are learning. You learn that first. After that, you take the support of the technology for speeding up the things. But you don't lose your roots itself. If I see, I am seeing in the chats also, right? How many spelling mistakes? Artificial. See here, if you see my own English, when I am typing here, sometimes because this is not showing anything in red color. Here, when I am typing, see, reinforcement, spelling mistake, reinforcement. Because I am typing fast, I am even here, it is not showing in any different colors. See here, when you are writing your exam, you will write on white paper with pen and paper, right? When you are writing your examination, if you take the support of these machines, if you take the support of this while typing in WhatsApp or anything, you will lose your base. of basic English, writing skills. So what we actually need to do is, let us take the support of the missions wherever we require for the betterment, not at the cost of the losing the ground. Because of these reasons, I told, right, see, where doctor finds very difficult to go to do operations inside heart or inside some places, there they can use these machines, nano nano robots, support of nano robots they can take, and they can do the operation. But doctor need to know how to do the operation, right? Same way, you can also take the support of these tools, whatever the tools, but not at the cost of your own roots. Technology, when you are learning technology, you learn the technology as it is. When you are learning coding, okay, learn that coding. If in some organizations they will not allow chat gpt or some other technologies, there you need to use your own brain for writing the code. So take the advantages of the machines, or because still you are young. I am not suggesting to the other industries, because there it is really useful. But as a student, for you, I will suggest you to learn your base, make your base strong. See, when you want to construct a 40 floor building or 100 floor building, the basement should be strong, right? Basement stronger பண்ணுங்க. Whatever you are learning, learn that learn that pakka, okay, and learn that efficiently. And wherever this artificial intelligence need to be used, there you use that accordingly for more betterment. Any doubts in this? I am done with the artificial intelligence and its uses. In next class, I will be I'll be discussing on data science. What is data science? And Python. Python வந்து how to write the code, basic Python, some functionalities of Python. Those things I will discuss in my next class. If you are having any doubts, I will keep this chat open for another 15 minutes. Okay, I am done with my today's class. So, Renuka, yes, please continue the class up to 12:30 p.m. Okay, Sharmila ji. Thank you, Harish. Thank you. Today, why it became, why you are feeling it super norm, Harish? Simple reason. Today's class, it is very interactive, and more importantly, I need to thank all the students for being disciplined. Very minimal spam were there, those can be ignored. But today's class was interactive, and you all are supported me. Thank you for that. Yes, any doubts? Thank you all. See, that is what I try to do is, I try to simulate ஓகே. சிமுலேட் அன்னா கம்பேரிசன். நம்ம ரியல் டைம் அந்த சிச்சுவேஷன்ஸ் அண்ட் ஆர்டிஃபிஷியல் இன்டெலிஜென்ஸ், மெஷின் லர்னிங் நம்ம ரியல் டைம் சிச்சுவேஷன் வந்து நம்ம லைஃப் வந்து எந்த மாதிரி சிச்சுவேஷன் வரும் அந்த சிச்சுவேஷன்ஸ் நான் கம்பேரிசன் பண்ணியாச்சு ரைட். ஸோ அந்த கம்பேரிசன் ஈஸியா அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு உங்களுக்கு எல்லாருக்கும் ஆக்சுவலா. எஸ், ஐ வில் ஷேர் காயத்ரி. ஐ வில் ஷேர். ஓகே. Thank you, thank you, thanks a lot. And again, I need to thank you all for being okay interactive from your side also. Class எப்பவுமே interactive ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா class will be more interesting. And sir, you told last class I'll continue the class. Please continue the class, sir. Renuka ma'am, do you have any 12:30 muhurtam something? You are asking me 12:30, sir. 12:30, sir. Actually, Renuka ma'am, it is all classes will be, I think, from 10 to 11:30, and that 1 hour, 1 hour is for practice, ma'am. Even for mm, even for this testing also, 10 to 11:30 we are taking the session. 10 to 11:30 is the session. அதுக்கப்புறம் next 1 hour whatever is there, that is for practicing or reading whatever the topics that are explained on that particular day. Okay, if you are having any doubts, I will stay for next 7 minutes till 11:45. Then we can wind up. The next Renka ma'am, I will try to see next class, because next class I'm going to discuss on data science. What is data science? What is data analytics? Where it will be used? The next Python basics. And the class na kandipa I will take up to 12:30. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you. So again, let's meet on. I'll be sharing some websites for this artificial intelligence and machine learning. Try to read something from that. So based upon this only, you are this week. Madam, தேவையில்ல madam. Next class, I myself will prepare to sit till 12:30. Remind பண்ண தேவையில்ல actually. I myself will take a class up to 12:30. Because topic அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு next class. data science, data analytics, அதுக்கப்புறம் Python. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, we can, Ganesh, we can wind up our class. Okay. Thank you all. Let's again meet on Thursday. Thursday with a different topic. Okay, 10 to 11:30 class is okay, sir. Okay. Next topic, enna, sir. Okay, next topic, if you want to study and come means, next topic is data science. பாருங்க நான் data and type பண்ற data science and system itself is giving data science and importance of data science. Data science, the next, basics of Python. If you can read and come, you can read and come also, so that no, we can, yeah, we can, yes, know about Python code. Definitely, definitely. From next week onwards, we will be from this Thursday onwards, you will be working on Python only, and I'll be sharing whatever the code or whatever the exercises that I have done in Python. Okay, Shilya, then bye. Next Thursday we'll meet again for data analytics. For yes, for your testing, you have your class tomorrow. Bye everyone. Bye. Take care.